Wee. Dum dum Wee. Dum dum Wee. Dum dum Wee. Ow! What you doing? Hmm? Hmm?
Do ba 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 do boo do.
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator.
Walter is sitting there with a piece of paper on his head.
Seeing if my cats are smart.
You're smart. Dingus.
Thời gian gần đây thì chị thấy trong người nó khó chịu như thế nào?
Nhức đầu cơ.
Nhức đầu nhiều á.
Nhức đầu cái chị bực bội trong lương tâm á. Buồn đủ thứ chuyện hết trơn.
You cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you can control for like a second. Oh, that's nice. That's really that's a spot right there.
People say I need to lose weight, but the only reason I'm chunky is because a tiny body couldn't store all this personality.
Lucky.
His fucking raccoon tail.
Lucky, it's fine.
Lucky, no.
Lucky, stop. Lucky.
The person that sent you this, they need you to know you kind of smell like a baka. Eres llega.
إنه شو أنا بدي أتنفس.
This sound is supposed to remind cats how they were worshipped in ancient Egypt.
If you have a cat, this is an emergency. I need you to have them duet this video for me, please. I love them and I need to talk to them. Okay.
There's something about your water that just tastes so much better than mine. What kind of flavoring do you put in it? I don't know, but I just can't get enough of it. Come on. What did I say? I can't get enough of it.
Ano na? Kamusta? Tutulo na naman yung laway mo.
Alas, I found the scoundrel who's been stealing my catnip. I'll have my revenge very soon. Soon, I tell you! On second thought, let's settle this now like gentle cats. Human, stay out of this. On guard, you heathen! I know where you live.
And out of cat crack. Bye, darn. Bye, darn. Oh.
Mami usil chay.
This is my box now. You snooze, you lose. Oh yeah, this is nice.
Me voy a matar, te me último. Uy. Me voy a matar. Uy.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You know this is blackmail, right? Oh my God. Look, I'm sorry. I apologize. Just take your mitten off the power button. I'm in a class. Don't do this. I'll give you all the treats you want. Okay?
I know something you don't. I know something you will never know.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.